ladies, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. If you frequent my channel, you know I have a different background. I would love to hear what you think of my new glittery background. If it's too much or you feel like it's really pretty, I'd love to hear from you. In any case, today we are going to do this look, but in particular, we're going to do the eyeshadow and only the eyeshadow. And I'm going to do close up and we're going to focus on one palette and 3 brushes. That is it. That's how I created this. It's going to be fun and it's going to be very, very simple. So before I get started, visit my website at thebeautyshaman.com. And also please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that I can continue making great content here on YouTube. Let's get going. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to use the Smoke Gets in Your Eyes Jane Iredale palette and 3 brushes. That's it. You ready to get going? All right, we're going to start with the light pink, and I'm going to fill the crease brush, but I'm also going to use it as a lid brush and go all over my lids and just blend that in all over. Very simple. Not taking it too high, keeping it kind of in the socket and on the lid. Okay. Then I'm going to take the black with gold flecks in it. It's got some lovely gold flecks, which I think makes it not quite so dense of a look. And I'm going to go right next to my lashes with this brush. So this brush has a lovely edge to it, right? And that edge makes this really easy. How's your summer going while I do this? Just kind of pop it right next to the lashes. Do any of you live in the areas that have had really, really like 90, 100 degrees, 110 degrees? It's been a really, really hot summer for some of you. So I put the majority of the density on the outer edge so that it's a bit thicker over there than it is on the inner corner. I'm going to use the purple now to go underneath my eye. Not a heavy line. Some of you go too heavy underneath. And it tends to pull your face down, right? We don't want that. We don't want things going south. We want everything going north. We want our butt to go north, the boobs to go north, the face to go north. North. Think north. I'm going to take that same purple and I'm going to go right over the top, a little above the black. Then I take my pencil brush that I call the disco brush because it's so pink. And I'm going to go just kind of rub that in, just smudge it in gently. You notice I'm just using really small strokes and I'm sticking to the outer portion of my eye. I want this section to be very, very clean. And then I push it up a bit on that outer edge. Now, many of you, because we were hot in the 80s, right? We want to wing it. We want to go, woo! So if you notice, I'm working up and in so that everything goes up and it raises your eye. Again, everything goes north. Then I'm going to take my crease brush and use the dark purple again. Back to the dark purple. And I'm just going to kind of tap that into that outer edge and up a bit. So I'm using a lot of tapping and smudging motions. I'm not doing just... So that's why I want to demo this in a really simple way. Next, I'm going to go back in with my pencil brush to the gold. And I'm going to take the gold and just pop it right in that part of my eye right there. Just open it up just a little bit. Cute, right? All right, then I'm going to take the very large highlighter on the outer edge and tap that a little bit in my brow bone. Then I'm going to use this eyelash curler, which I really like. Shu Uemura. I say that wrong. If you know how to say it right, please write it phonetically down below. Then I'm going to use Worth the Hype by NYX. Very inexpensive. I think it's like $10 mascara on top. Okay, ladies, so this is my very simple eyeshadow tutorial. I think this is a great look for spring and summer. It's pinks and purples and would be really nice to go to a party or out with friends or an event or something like that. I think this looks really pretty, and I've coupled it with a very nice kind of rich pink lipstick to go with a little bit of pink in my shirt, which I think works really well. And you can change that according to what you're wearing, but I think the pink theme is always really nice for spring, summer. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please write down below. I love getting comments from you, and I always respond. Thanks so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.